सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे YouTube चैनल इंडियन देसी घी को और घी से जुड़े वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाइए।
Hello friends, welcome to Indian Desi Ghee. In this video I am going to share with you lots of information about Desi Ghee. Yes, golden butter oil and clarified butter. This video is all about ghee and all about health. So stay tuned with us.
In India, Desi ghee was once revered more than just a food, but negative marketing and the stigmas floating from the West termed it fattening and super unhealthy. By the super negative campaigns against ghee, many of us got manipulated. But truth triumphed, and now ghee has found a premium place on the shelves of the supermarkets of the West with the name clarified butter.
We Indians have been consuming ghee for centuries. When butter is simmered, a golden liquid oil is left behind, and this liquid is called ghee.
Modern science has proven that ghee is a gold mine of nutrients, has therapeutic value, and it can be used internally or externally. If you are an Indian, then no matter what region of India you come from, Desi ghee was always being used in our delicacies. However, things have changed in 1970 and 80s when some foreign refined oil companies, in order to sell their so-called heart healthy oil, intensively publicize ghee badly. They call ghee fattening and unhealthy for heart.
Manipulating by such marketing strategies, we changed our household cooking medium to refined oil.
Some of health conscious opted olive oil, which was super expensive those days. Going back on those days, doctors warned against eating ghee. Nutritionists omitted ghee from our daily diet. And what now? Those so-called heart healthy oil for which we had left our ghee have now been proven by numerous health studies to be nothing else but colorless, odorless, tasteless and nutritionless liquids. Do you know, friends, producers after so much refining, they readily become toxic when heated. Research has proven that using refined oils become the number one reason for increased heart attack case in our countries.
Well, truth cannot be hidden so long, and here is ghee, which is now being recognized by modern science as the healthiest form of fat.
Maybe you will got surprised that our own Desi ghee is trending in US. Just as you find olive oil in Indian supermarket, in the West, ghee being sold as the premium cooking oil, which they call clarified butter. Let us tell you what makes ghee so special. If it found with high saturated fats, yes, definitely it is. But Desi ghee has SCFA, short chain fatty acid. SCFA is a unique type of saturated fat found in ghee. According to reports, unlike the long chain fatty acids found in animal saturated fat, short chain may not be broken down in the small intestine and are immediately used by the body for energy. Due to this unique short chain fatty acid profile, ghee is not fattening at all, but actually cuts the fat from the most stubborn parts of the body. Desi ghee is one of the highest sources of CLA, conjugated linoleic acid. This acid mobilizes the fat cells to shrink down their original size. So if you are on your way to fat losing process, it is the right time to choose Desi ghee. Now, Desi ghee is good for cooking, but why? Let us tell you. Desi ghee has very high smoke point of over 250 degrees Celsius, way more than any other cooking oil. Let's explain smoke point. Smoke point of an oil is the temperature at which the fatty acid bonds tend to break and the oil becomes unit for consumption. High smoking point makes ghee ideal for the all type of cooking, including deep fry.
Did you know that every time you add ghee to your meal, you are reducing the glycemic index of the food?
As report says, a major chunk of the Indian population is diabetic. Ghee is savior.
If you have any digestion related issues, so there are highly chance of missing ghee in your daily diet.
Ghee is packed with butyric acid. Now, what is this butyric acid? Well, our body converted fiber into butyric acid. Since ghee already has it, it makes the body's job much easier. The SCFA in ghee is now recognized as a prebiotic something which is create an optimal environment for the gut-friendly bacteria to prosper. Ghee because has omega-3 fatty acids which actually reduces the bad cholesterol. Ghee is rich in antioxidants, conjugated linoleic acid and fat-soluble vitamins like A, D and E. Ghee is heart healthy in true sense. Ghee helps you in many other ways. If you're feeling low in energy, want to build muscle mass or having joint pain, some skin problems or hormonal issues, or you are having memory issues, you should start adding ghee in your every meal. Interestingly, pure ghee does not come with any expiry date. Yes, research shows if ghee properly stored in an airtight container and kept in a cool dark place, it never expires. हमारे शास्त्रों में भी लिखा है कि घी जितना पुराना होगा वो उतना ही सेहत के लिए अच्छा होगा.
Yes, the older the ghee is, the more beneficial health it becomes.
Now, how much ghee should be taken? Ghee is the purest form of fat, free from milk solids and impurities. So it is absolutely lactose free. It is one food on the planet which suits all body type, suitable for every gender, every age group. You can include 2 to 4 spoons of it daily. Ghee can be put on top of your fulka, variety of rice dishes, curry or any of dal. Ghee also enhances the flavor of food. In Ayurveda, ghee is referred as medicine. It can be used not just internal but also external. Ayurveda said if one regularly puts 2 drops of ghee in each nostrils, all the parts of above the collarbone like neck, ear, face, skin, eye, hair and brain stay nourished. If you do this daily, you can assure yourself with a glowing skin, black hair, improved eyesight, hearing ability and sharp intellect. Well, it's not end. Applying just a few drops of ghee and massaging the navel lubricates the joints, improves the immunity, helps digestion and stops acne breakout.
Truly, ghee is a superfood. Although this does not mean that you enjoy ghee sweets every day.
Ghee should not be combined with curd or any food which has curd in it. Mixture of ghee and equal amount of honey can be poisonous. Now, the question is, which ghee should use?
Ghee can be extracted from the cow, buffalo and goat milk. However, it is desi cow ghee which is considered the best.
There are quite a few Indian brands which are making desi ghee. You can buy them too. Information of such good brands are given in video description also. Please go through it. You might have to pay little extra to get desi cow ghee, but it is as worthy as your health.
So friends, that's it for this video. Hope you find this information interesting and healthy. Keep watching our YouTube channel and explore more about Desi Ghee. Do share and like, comment below for this video. And remember, eat healthy and stay healthy.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे YouTube चैनल इंडियन देसी घी को और घी से जुड़े वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाइए.